is Ben Stiller and Zoolander.
the computer. The computer. They're in the computer.
I don't know what you did. Seriously, Autumn, what'd you do?
I'll tell you at the end of the day.
I gotta get the newsletter to CM. Seriously.
I don't know how to help you.
That's okay.
All I knew was to plug in the mouse.
Well, the mouse is plugged in, and the keyboard is the same. And my phone doesn't work. Care to help?
I would say check your battery connections again.
Battery connections.
And I swear I didn't switch the batteries out. You're not looking hard enough.
Pull the ones out. No, she said she didn't change the batteries.
What do you mean, just the battery connection?
Like where the batteries go.
What about it? It's the same.
She put something in there, you numbnuts.
Take those out. Watch this.
Go deep in there.
There's
There's
probably
probably
4 batteries.
How many council aides does it take to figure out
There's nothing in
Autumn's
there.
Look at that white piece of paper.
jack face? Look at this. You didn't hear what she said earlier about putting something in the door jam? Come on, use your brains. Well, you weren't here.
No, it wasn't here.
China.